I'm going to talk about basic algebra formulas. I'm going to tell how plus into plus becomes plus and minus into minus becomes plus. So let's start with this assumption. We are in home, that is 0 miles where we stay, and if you want to go office, say if you want to go to school, you will have to travel 7 miles in the right direction from home, then you will reach the school. And if you want to go to office, you have to travel 7 miles in the left direction from the home, that is minus 7 miles office. So basically I'm saying plus is traveling in the right direction, minus is traveling in the left direction. Let's start with the formula. Plus 3 into plus 2 equal to plus 6. I'm defining the plus, the first component of the multiplication, plus 3 is 3 miles you are traveling in the right direction towards school. So plus direction is towards school and you are traveling 3 miles, multiplied by the number of times, and the plus sign here says you are doing the same travel 2 times in the same direction of where you travel. So if you do minus here, then you are saying you are doing the travel of that many miles in opposite direction. So with that, this will be clear when we move to the other formulas, but again I'm telling you 3 miles you are traveling towards school and you are doing the same for 2 times in the same direction. So if you do that, say first 3 miles plus 3 you are traveling towards school, then you will land at plus 3 from home, that is 3 miles away from home. That is, in other words, first time the 3 miles towards school will make you reach plus 3. And the same thing if you are doing, that is plus 2 times, that is the second time, if you are doing the same thing in the same direction, you will reach plus 6, that is 6 miles away from home in the right direction, that is towards school. So that is how plus 3 2 times will make you reach plus 6. So coming to the next formula, minus 3, that is 3 miles toward office in the left direction, and you have to do the same because it's plus, and you have to do 2 times, then you will reach 6 miles from home in the left direction toward office. That is, first 3 miles you are traveling minus 3, that is toward office, and you are doing the same travel in the same direction, you are continuing it. The second time, then you will reach minus 6, that is 6 miles away from home in the left direction, you are reaching minus 6 miles. So that is how plus minus 3 into plus 2 equal to minus 6. Coming to the next formula, this is minus 3, that is, I am going to tell you how minus 3 into minus 2 equal to plus 6. So let's start with minus 3 into plus 1, that is nothing but you are traveling toward office 1 time in the same direction will make you reach 3 miles toward office from home, that is minus 3. Step 1, I'm partially defining it every step and then coming to the full answer. So step 1, if you do the plus as a minus and then say first time, then you are doing the same, I mean the minus 3 you have been doing in the same direction when it is plus. When you say it's minus for the first time, then you will be doing that in the different direction, then it will become plus 3, that is toward school. So 3 miles toward office, when you do it in the different direction, it will become 3 miles towards school. So step 2, if you do the same second time, you will reach plus 6 miles. So traveling 3 miles towards office in the left direction, that is minus 3. If you do the same in opposite direction 2 times, that is toward office, you will reach plus 6 miles from home towards school. If we come to the next formula, it's plus 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 6. Let me tell you how we can interpret this. So plus 3 is traveling towards school 3 miles, and you are doing the same, say for one time, then you will reach 3 miles towards school from office. I'm sorry, 3 miles towards school from home. And say step 1, you are doing the same thing in opposite direction. So if you travel 3 miles but minus first time, it does mean that in the opposite direction, if you do the same one time, then you will reach 3 miles in the left direction toward office. And if you do the same 2 times, then you will reach 6 miles toward office. I'm going to show that to you. So plus excuse me. So plus 3 into plus 1 is toward 3 miles toward school, and you are doing the same thing first time in the different direction, that is minus 1, then you will say 3 miles toward office. First time the 3 miles toward office. Same thing, second 3 miles toward office, that is second time the 3 miles toward office is minus 6. So that is how 3 miles toward office 2 times is minus 6. Thank you.